Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be diving into the withdrawal feature on Hive Markets. And so let's navigate to the withdrawal button here on the dashboard. You are going to click your withdrawal type, which is only Bitcoin. Select the wallet that it's going to be coming out from. And quick note on this, if you have USD, then it will automatically do the transfer from US dollar into Bitcoin when you are withdrawing it. So let's just say that we wanted to withdraw $1,000 in USD, and when you hit request withdrawal, it will take you to another page where you will input your withdrawal address from your other wallet, whether that's on Coinbase, Trust Wallet, or your cold storage wallet, wherever you want to send the Bitcoin to. It will give you the option to input that address there, and then you'll be good to go. Quick disclaimer though, right under here, all withdrawals can take several hours to complete. You will be emailed about the progress of your request. If you have a negative MetaTrader account balance, you will not be able to withdraw any funds until the account is balanced. And last but not least, we cannot complete any withdrawals to prepaid cards. So that is the summary of the withdrawal feature, and we will see you in the next video.